But one of the last of the seven habits was sharpening the saw. There was two guys. One guy was sharpening the saw, sharpening the saw, while the other person was trying to knock this tree down. Didn't stop. Effort, effort, effort. Work, 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 work. But the one guy, he was just kept sharpening, not even touching the tree. And so what happened was by him preparing and sharpening the saw, he was able to go through that tree significantly faster than the person who was just constantly working on a dull blade. Sometimes when you get halfway through that tree, you may need to take that saw off that tree and sharpen it again. Understanding taking breaks and taking time for yourself is an important, necessary need to be able to really go further.